Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to compare Coda versus Google Sheets in 2026 and help you understand which tool is best for your data, workflows, and productivity. Google Sheets has long been a favorite for spreadsheets, tracking numbers, performing calculations, and collaborating in real time. It's simple, familiar, and great for basic data work. But as your needs grow, you may find that Sheets has limitations when it comes to building systems, connecting data, and managing workflows. Coda takes a different approach. Instead of just a grid of cells, Coda lets you build flexible documents with interactive tables, multiple views, and connected systems. In Coda, tables are more like mini databases that can link to each other, which makes your data relational and powerful. You can also create views like board, calendar, or Gantt to visualize your information in ways Google Sheets can't natively. When it comes to automation, Coda includes features like buttons, reminders, and simple workflows that can update data or trigger actions without third-party tools. Google Sheets often requires add-ons or scripts to do the same. Coda also supports formulas that reference entire tables or linked data, making calculations more intuitive for complex workflows. Google Sheets is still excellent for quick calculations, simple budgeting, or lightweight collaboration. But if you want to build dashboards, track projects, automate tasks, or connect data across multiple tables, Coda gives you more flexibility and power without losing collaboration features. That's it for today. If this comparison helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tool guides. Try both Coda and Google Sheets in 2026 and choose the one that matches your workflow and goals.